Right now, algorithms are trading billions. AI is optimizing portfolios. And finance moves at the speed of code. Instinct is not enough anymore. Today's leaders speak data, think in models, and act in milliseconds. And now, RiskMathics is giving you a rare chance to join that world. Through a course built for the future of finance. You'll master R, Python, and SQL. You'll build real strategies, model risk, automate decisions, and optimize performance like the pros. This is more than a course. It's a unique opportunity from RiskMathics to transform your career and lead where others follow. If you're a trader, analyst, investor, or consultant, this is how you future-proof your skill set. Designed by experts, taught by practitioners, powered by RiskMathics. Course starts May 2025. Space is limited. Your moment is now.